Hello friends, so today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate rows from data table. Okay, so here you can see like I have built one small workflow in which you can see over here that I'm just trying to read the Excel file and which in which it's reading a sheet name. Okay, sheet 1. Okay, so before going ahead, let me show you the Excel file that we have used. This is the Excel file. So over here, you can see it's a sheet 1. You can see it's a record, some of the records I have mentioned, but over here, you can see over here it's mark. There are two records, right? So in this case, when we will execute the bot, it will remove the duplicate records, okay, and paste in another sheet with the updated records. Okay, let me give you a walkthrough on UiPath. So this is an activity Excel application scope. I'm just calling the data file. I'm just reading activity read range. I'm just reading it in a DT1. I'm removing one using one activity that is remove duplicate records. Okay, so whatever the DT is or DT1 that is a data table is there. I'm just writing it over here as well. So this activity will remove the duplicate records. And again, in the same file itself, in this file, I'm just writing again with the name of filtered sheet with the DT2. So this will this will remove the duplicate records and give us the filter records in the form of DT2 data table. So I'm just writing it again, DT2. Okay. So let's start, execute the bot. Let me see what's been done. Bot has been executed. Yes. So over here, when I come over here, you can see it's open data, and when I maximize this, you can see a filter sheet in which I have removed the duplicate records, that is the mark. You can see the mark, right? And over here, you can see only the single record of mark. So that's it from my side. The purpose of this demo is to showcase you how to remove the duplicate rows from a data table. Guys, I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe this channel and share this to your group as well. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.